Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Shopify store. So open shopify.com and click on start a free trial. And let's get started with of these best describe you. I am just starting. I am already selling. So if you are starting, click on I am just starting and then click on next. Where would you like to sell? An online store, in person, in social media? So select an online store and I will select social media as well. Online marketplaces, and then I will click on next. Okay, what do you plan to sell first? Product I buy, or make my sense, dropshipping product, or digital products. So I selected these three items and then I click next. Okay, where your business will be located. In my case, my country is Pakistan, so I will click next. And now it is asking me to create a Shopify account with your emails, or you can sign up with Facebook, with Google, or with Apple ID. I will sign up with an email. So I will type my email, Shopify experts 315 at gmail.com, and I will type my password. So now click on create Shopify account. And after few seconds, you will be able to see your store. It is creating your Shopify is creating your store. So it is almost done. So your store is ready. Now you can see it is loading. Okay, now you can add products by yourself, or you can import product from CSV. So if you click on online store and see how does your store looks like. So this is how your store currently is looking. So let's try to import some products. So how you can import some dummy products? Find Shopify dummies products. So you will click on this is the some sample CSV file. Let's cancel that and we will get that from this repo. So download this zip file and save that in your computer. And then I will extract on the CSV files. And now I have few .csv files. So I'll go back to my store and import one of this file. Let's try to add format garden CSV and then upload and preview. Import products. and it will take some time to add products in the Shopify. Okay, our products are imported. Now, if you reload your store again, and you will see these products over here. And if you click on the products, it will take you to the product detail page. Okay, let's go back to the products and click any of the products. Okay, over here we have a title of the product. Here we have a description. In the media, we can upload the product images. In the category, we can select the categories. And in the pricing section, we can add the pricing of the product. This is the original, this is the price, this is the compare price. We are selling this on $250, and the original price was $300, and the sale price is $250. And here you can just buy it post by item if you're buying this product from somewhere else. And in the inventory, you can add the SKU, barcode, and the quantity to track the quantity. And here we have a shipping information. If this is a physical product, you can select this box, and you can add the weight of the product. And from here, you can select the weight type like LB, OZ, kg, and gram. And from here, you can add the different variants of the product. On the right side, we have product type, product vendor, and collections. And you can add the product tags, and you can make a product template as well. So this is the basic information. That's how you can create the Shopify store and how you can set up Shopify store. So I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.